I'm sure you've heard the news. Obesity impacts more than just your body. Being overweight can feel like carrying the world on your shoulders. It's not just about health, it's about how you see yourself every day. When you look in the mirror, do you see someone amazing? Or do you focus on the flaws? Obesity can chip away at your self-esteem. It's like a silent whisper, telling you you're not good enough. But guess what? That whisper is wrong. You are more than your weight. You are strong, capable, and worthy of love and respect. It's time to flip the script. Start by celebrating small victories and practicing self-love. You deserve it. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. You've got this. Embrace yourself as you are today and take confident steps towards a brighter tomorrow. You're amazing, just the way you are. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight, from his website richardmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing the like button and subscribe to get future awesome videos. Thank you for watching.